The first one is create a histogram of amount and the size of the bin should be 250. Now we first need to see all the columns we have in our table. As you can see, there is a column of amount and we need to create a histogram of amount. The result is here. We have a histogram from, let's say, 1000 to 750. There are 578 employees and so on. What I have done is I have selected the column amount from table transaction, right? And what I have done is I have divided this amount by 250. For example, let's say the amount is 525, right? I will write here as a comment 525. If we divide 525 by 250, we will get approximately 2.1, right? And once we get 2.1, we use the floor. What floor will do? If we do floor of 2.1, we'll get just this value, which is the numeric value. So this would equal to, the floor will give us the answer of 2, right? And once we have the 2, then we have multiplied by 250. We multiplied by 250, which will be 500, and this will be our f, right? This f is this one, right? Now what this is doing is, in histogram we have a range which we also called a bin. So according to the question, the bin should be of size of 250. Now if the bin size is 250, then there should be a higher value and a lower value. So this 500 is our lower value. To make the same for the upper part, to make the range of the top part, the bigger part, what we have done is we have just added 250 to this range, right? So if here the amount was, let's say, 700, then also it will come into this bin of 500 to 750, right? Next, what we have done is we have added a filter that there should not be an amount of null, and we have named this table as A, and then we have selected the column F and C plus the count of all the records and called them as number of employees. Now as we have all these three columns, which will create the histogram for us. Lastly, we have done a group by with F and C column and order by 1. Here the order by 1 means the column number. So order by 1 means make the order by column F, right? So this is our answer.